after ng Federal Reserve na mag-cut sila ng 25 basis points sa kanilang interest rates. And now, nag-speech din si Fed Powell. So, ano nga ba yung pwede natin expect kay gold? So, tingnan natin yung chart. Okay, so ito yung kagabi. And tingnan natin, no? So, makita natin meron tayong mga moving average dyan. And ito mga plot lang naman natin ng mga support and resistance level. So, pwede natin burahin muna. Ayan. So all-time high right now is 3791 and currently at 3759. So itong 3759, 3750 if this is going to hold. Ayan, so ito yung kagabi, yung malaking kandila na red, no? Ayan. So if this is going to hold itong 3759 na to, it may go back up to 3791. But going above the resistance level or 38 is a different matter, no? So kahit na tumaas siya pa ganito, yeah, so we are still in a very bullish environment kasi dahil sa Federal Reserve na interest rate cut, and also with the geopolitical tension with Ukraine, Russia, and now with Poland, and nakikialam na rin talaga si US. So if this 375 na 3750 is going to hold, then we can expect that it may go up to 3791, but it may go on a range there. So if it does go below here, yan, 3735 is going to be our target support. Yeah, so what we can do is that we can buy a 3750, 3759, and then we can target 3775, 3790. And if it does go below 3750, then we can target 3735 with a sell. So we can do a sell stop there. So since nasa below naman siya, nag-crossover yung lower moving average. Nag-cross below itong moving average natin na to. Ayan. Dito. Ayan. And then, ayan yan, no? Breakout. Then ito retest. So there's a high probability na it may still go down. But again, if this is going to hold, then we can target our levels, no, sa taas. Yan. Yan. So, and if kung magtuloy-tuloy siya ng correction, then we can expect 37 muna. Yan. So let's go for 37. Okay. Yan. So napakalaki pa ng hahabulin yan, or napakalaki pa ng pwedeng ibagsak niyan. So dito tayo kung talagang medyo deep yung correction, no. Ayan, 37. Yan. So kung nabasag niya 3750, 3735 is going to be our target, then we can expect 37. And ito, if this is going to have a much larger correction, it may manifest around weeks, no? So it may go on weeks. So 3640 level is something. So tingin tayo sa taas. So burahin natin yung mga yan, so medyo magulo eh. Okay, so since we are in an overall bullish environment, and ito yung mga pwede natin expect, that gold, so the red, and may go down to, and it may go down to the higher, or the EMA 21 natin. Okay. So there's a doji there, which is a sign of reversal, indecision, followed by red candles, no? So the red candles. So we can expect that it may somehow retrace back before it's going to go up. But again, it's worth scalping this, no? Since I am a scalper, it's worth scalping this. Ayan. So yung up ano na yan, up move na yan, it's going to be a lot. So meron naman tayong stop loss, and kaya naman ng risk natin, kaya naman ng account natin na mag-risk ng ganong stop loss. So it will depends on your risk management. But then again, I would highly suggest that if you want to buy, then wait. And so, waiting game tayo ngayon. So, may kita nyo, napakalaki na ng move niyan. 3,640 to 3,8 halos, no? Yan. So, this is going to be a strong support. Ayan, 3,620 to 3,640. This is a strong support. Longer term, no? But, on the short term, yan, 3,755. Yan, dahil sa moving average. But then again, ayan napakarami pa. So, naalala ko lang, yung nangyari sa US election from 2.8 to 2.5 or 2.4 real quick, and the tariff declaration at around 3.5 all-time high. Then it went down to 3.1 after a few weeks. So after the sentiment dies down, bears can take over, especially kapag nasa all-time high tayo. So it's going to be fast kapag bumagsak yan. So we don't have enough much time to react. Ayan, so all we can do now, let's see muna. Wait and see muna tayo. But since yun nga, if you want to scalp, then this is worth following, no? So itong mga levels na to. So from 3,750 pag na-break niya, then go to target 3,735. And if it goes right here, near here, the moving average, then you can scalp and target above 3,750 to 3,775. And that's it, guys. If you want to learn more about trading, then you can check our bio or our description box below, and may mga links dyan. And I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community, and where we provide or give trade ideas and trade signals. Want to see you there.